Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Outlook error, code 53003. If you're seeing this Outlook error and having trouble getting signed in, this process walks you through a simple repair of the Outlook app and then helps you reopen it and sign back in. This can often fix issues caused by a damaged or incomplete app installation. Start by opening the Settings menu on your desktop or laptop. You can usually do this from the Start menu, and once you're in Settings, stay focused on the Apps area since that's where we'll make the repair. Next, look for Installed Apps. Depending on your version of Windows, you may be able to click it directly from the main settings screen, or you might need to use the search bar at the top of the window to find it quickly. Using the search bar can save time if you don't immediately see the option. Once you're in Installed Apps, search for Microsoft Outlook. There should be a search field available, so type Outlook and wait for the app to appear in the list. This helps narrow things down, especially if you have a lot of software installed on your computer. When Microsoft Outlook appears, click the three dots next to it. This opens a small menu with additional options related to the app. Be careful to select the Outlook application itself so you're modifying the correct program. From that menu, click Repair. Windows will begin the repair process, which checks the Outlook installation and attempts to fix any issues without removing the app. This may take a little time, so let it complete fully before moving on. If prompted by your system, follow the on-screen instructions until the repair finishes. After the repair is done, open the Outlook software or application again. Launch it the same way you normally would, either from the Start menu, Desktop Shortcut, or Taskbar. At this point, Outlook should start more cleanly after the repair. Finally, sign into your account. Enter your account credentials and complete the login process. If the error was related to the app installation, repairing Outlook should help restore normal access. If Outlook opens and lets you sign in successfully, then the issue has likely been resolved. If not, you may need to repeat the repair carefully and make sure the process completed without interruption. In many cases, though, this quick app repair is enough to fix Outlook error code 53003 and get you back into your email.